this video, I will try out the weird programming language Emojicode. I know it sounds strange, so let's get started. First, let's follow the installation guide. On Windows, you need to install a Linux subsystem like WCell.
Let's copy the installation script to the command line and run it. Needs sudo permission to install. Now time to create a simple program to compile and run. Let's copy this example. File created. Now let's try and compile it. The compiler is globally installed in my case.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Seem to be missing some dependencies. Let Google solve that for us. Let's use this suggestion from Stack Overflow. Let's see if we can find that package somewhere. There we go.
Bruh.
Next issue, I read something about this in the troubleshooting. Seems like we are missing the C++ compiler. Let's install that now. Seems to compile as it should now. Let's see if we can run this crazy code. The code looks a little weird in the terminal. Let's see if we can edit it in VS Code instead. Let's find the file in Windows. can't open it directly in VS Code from Linux Drive, let's copy it to my Windows workspace. Much more readable here. Let's edit the text and recompile. Works fine. Now let's check out a more complex example that returns a random greeting. There's lots to study to fully learn this weird language. If you want to see more Emojicode in this channel, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all from the Nerdic Coder for today. See ya!